a deadly sea snake surfaces for air. But danger is already in the sky. An eagle dives, claws first. Now the question is, will the snake escape or become dinner? Before we find out, like and subscribe to our channel. This isn't just any snake. It's a banded sea crate, one of the ocean's most venomous. Its bite is lethal enough to kill a human. Sea snakes spend most of their time in the sea, but they don't have gills. Their lungs spread over their entire body. To breathe, they must surface. That's when it's most exposed. And the white-bellied sea eagle knows it. With razor-sharp talons and incredible eyesight, she locks on her target from above and strikes with precision. Now, the two are airborne. The snake coils and twists, launching strikes mid-flight, fangs searching for flesh, but the eagle maneuvers, dodging each attack. She's a mother, high above her chicks, weight-hungry. This battle isn't about dominance, it's about survival. This is nature, raw and real. Even the most venomous can fall prey. For more wild stories from nature's front lines, like and subscribe to stay close to the action.